to inform you about my absent on November 6, 2023, Monday, because I had a fever that day and now I'm fine, no? Because of that emergency, I was unable to attend my time of duty, no? I hope you understand my situation, and please kindly excuse my absent on that day, no? Ito nga kung bakit niya ginawa yung explanation letter ay dahil absent siya, no? Dahil siya ay nagkasakit nung araw na yon, at ngayong araw ay ngayon ay okay na siya, no? Ito nga yung because I had the fever that day and now I'm fine, no? Dahil lang sa kanyang sakit o lagnat ay hindi siya naka-attend ng kanyang duty, no? Kaya hindi siya nakapasok. I hope you understand my situation and please kindly excuse my absent on that day, no? Sana maintindihan ang kanyang sitwasyon at excuse ang kanyang absent nung araw na yon, no? Sa baba, sincerely yours, pwede ring prepared by kung sino yung gumawa. Halimbawa si SG Mark L. Pailago, security guard.